to Saril's Kitchen. Children's Day, the most beautiful and memorable day and the best part in the life of a person. This day is celebrated with great zeal and enthusiasm. On this occasion, I am going to show you how to prepare a very simple and easy chocolate cake pops. Definitely all kids will love this. Let's see how to prepare, but before that, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and also click the bell icon to get the notification. To prepare simple and easy chocolate cake pops, we need chocolate cake around half a kg. I have crumbled the chocolate cake in a blender in pulse mode. You can take any variety of cakes. Here I have taken chocolate cake as we are preparing chocolate cake pops. I have already uploaded my dark chocolate and simple chocolate cake recipes. If you have missed it, do watch. Apart from this, I have taken chocolate syrup around 3 tablespoons. Compound chocolates, that is 3 varieties, dark, milk and white, around 75 grams each. Lollipop sticks, few, since we are preparing pops. And sugar sprinkles, any variety. These are optional, it's just for decoration purpose. Now to the crumbled cake I am adding chocolate syrup. If you don't have ready-made chocolate syrup, then you can melt any chocolates and then add to it. Mix well until it can be formed into small balls or any shapes. If you want to surprise your kids or guests, you can prepare these easy pops. Definitely they all will love this. Now the mixture is ready and you are able to prepare cake pops or any shape. Now take a small portion and prepare pops and place it on a tray. So do the same with the remaining mixture. Now I have melted the white chocolate, dip the lollipop sticks into the melted chocolate and then prick it to the prepared cake pops and then place it on a tray with the butter paper. Once it's done, place these in the fridge to set at least for 10 to 15 minutes. Now it's set and I have melted 3 varieties of compound chocolates separately. Now dip the cake pops into the melted chocolate and then sprinkle the sugar sprinkles on this. Make sure the chocolate covers the pops entirely. You can take any variety of sprinkles of your choice. I have taken a thermocol piece to keep the chocolate pops. You can take even a stand or anything that is able to keep these chocolate pops. This is really fun to do this. It looks so beautiful and tastes really good. Do try it and definitely all will love. If you like my video, do comment. So chocolate cake pops are ready to eat. Enjoy.